This was a hike and camp that I did at Plateau Mountain in the Catskills area of New York State during the summer of 2016. And what I did with this hike is I started here where this blue pin is at the parking area. I did have to pay. Um, I stayed one night, so I had to pay for 2 days. That was $12. And what I did was I did a little loop where I walked down this road here to begin with, and then I came up this trail here, and at this green pin I turned up the Warner Creek path. These black diamonds are supposed to be viewpoints, but they didn't quite match up with my GPS, and I think they're just not marked properly on this map. Although I think there were at least 4 viewpoints on the way up. It shows 5. Maybe there were 5. I think there were like 3 or 4. By the time I got up to around this viewpoint here where the well is, it started to rain. I filled up some water there and walked on over. I was hoping to camp somewhere near this viewpoint where the 3,500 foot elevation marker is, but I didn't find anywhere to camp. Definitely some great spots along this area here leading up towards the well. It's pretty flat all along this area that I'm pointing to here. But up around where the well or the spring area is, um, it gets pretty steep. And then I came up to the ridge line here of Plateau Mountain. I headed on over to this viewpoint, and the rain stopped. It was some really beautiful cloud formations, and it was too high up here to camp. Although definitely kind of flattish around this area, but not legal. So I headed across the ridgeline, and it was starting to get late. I passed by these 3 viewpoints here, and around this third one, which really is like just a little slightly above the 3,500 foot elevation marker, I think. And where this blue circle is about where I stopped to camp. And that was kind of late. By the time I set up my camp, it was dark, so I didn't really get any footage when I arrived of my setup. So then in the morning, I woke up and I headed down the Devil's Path here. Very steep, very, very steep. Much more demanding if I were to come up this way uh, as opposed to the way I came. This is a very, very steep path right here. I think I even saw a bear print on the path and some bear crap that looked very fresh, but I did not see a bear actually. And headed on down and back to my car the next morning. It was a really excellent hike, a great camp. I did see a few hikers coming across up around here when I was turning to head towards Plateau Mountain. I saw like 3 guys coming up and heading down, but that was it. I didn't see anybody else the whole time. So I hope that you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. I'm at the parking area near the Devil's Tombstone campground, and just starting to head out now. I'm about to walk down the road for what looks like close to a mile. Okay, I'm just coming off the road now and entering onto the yellow trail. I forgot the name of it, but this is going to take me up to Plateau Mountain, and expecting it to be pretty steep at times. Okay, so reached the Devil's Path junction here where I turned left. Getting this far, it wasn't really bad. It was slight, decent incline. It wasn't too steep, but I'm expecting it to get pretty vertical for the first quarter of this path at this point, up until the peak of Plateau Mountain. It should be, I think, if I'm reading the map correctly, that it's the most steep here in this first quarter. And it should be steep still, but not quite as intense. We'll see how this goes here coming up. Should have been, at least according to the GPS and the map, I should be right about where the first lookout is, but I didn't see it. I could see how if the leaves weren't on the trees, you'd have a great view. So like in the winter or something, over here it'd be pretty nice. So far, I mean, it was steep, but because the way the path zigzags, it would go up a little and then veer off to the side and kind of flatten out. So it's really not been too demanding so far anyway. A little bit of a scramble here.
This is the spot on the GPS map that should be where the second viewpoint is, but again, it's really just a lot of trees. I mean, I could kind of see through over that way. But I wouldn't really call it a viewpoint. I guess maybe, you know, in the late fall or the winter it is. So it's 2 o'clock. I started at 11:30, and I've been taking my time. I've just been kind of taking it pretty easy. So it's very slow going so far. So I don't know if my GPS might be screwy or the maps aren't correct, but according to my GPS, I'm kind of between the second and the third viewpoint here. And there is a viewpoint, but it's not marked, unless my GPS is not correct. And not the most exciting viewpoint, but you could see out. It's the first time I could see out of the woods. Another sort of viewpoint here. This is right after the one I just was at, so either my GPS is wrong or the black stars need to be marked up a little further on the map. It's a better viewpoint than I was just at. It's been pretty flat. I think it's like 250 feet to where the water spring and the viewpoint is, just beneath the summit. And when I get there, 250 feet in elevation. It's quite a while. It's like probably a mile and a half from where I'm at now. But when I get there, I'm going to see if I can figure out a spot to camp. And then I want to go up to the summit and then come back down and set up camp. But right here, it's pretty flat. So the climb and elevation is going to be pretty, not very vertical, very kind of steady. Another spot that's marked as a lookout, but it's hard to see through all the trees. I hear thunder in the distance. It's possible it might rain soon. Pretty close to the water spring now, and that lookout spot. About 250 feet in elevation, and I think it's going to be a quick hike up from here to there. So this seems to be the actual first lookout, first decent lookout. I can hear thunder in the distance from time to time, so I think from over there to my right there might be a storm coming. I'm headed up there. It looks like about the top of Plateau Mountain. Okay, I'm up where the spring is. I'm about to go find it. And right past the sign for the spring is the 3,500 foot elevation marker. It's raining and I hear thunder. So that's why it's pretty dark right now. I'm gonna go check out this spring. I'm here at the spring. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up my water jugs now so I don't have to worry about it later. Alright, I'm at the junction where I'm going to go right to the summit of Plateau Mountain. It says a half a mile. And headed home is to the left from here. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do about camping. It's probably about 4 o'clock right now, and it's raining. Coming up on the viewpoint at Plateau Mountain. It seems to have stopped raining. It is 5 o'clock now. Still haven't figured out where I'm gonna camp. When I was at the spring before, just up from the spring to the next viewpoint, I didn't take out my camera because it was raining, but I really didn't see anywhere I could camp. Saw a flash of lightning to my right, but otherwise it does seem like, for now anyway, the rain is breaking up. Headed across the Devil's Path now, across the ridge line of Plateau Mountain, I guess, over to the 3 lookout points, and I'm going to see if I can find somewhere to set up camp by the lookout called Orchards Point, I think. It's about where the 3,500 foot mile marker is, and might be a little bit above. I'm going to see what it looks like over there and hopefully find somewhere to set up. Right now it's 5:30. I think this is the viewpoint, the first viewpoint on the other side of the mountain coming up on here. But I don't know. Not very easy to get into. A lot of fallen trees. Coming up here on the third lookout, and there does seem to be some possible spots here to camp. Woke up this morning about 8:45, and this is how I set up my hammock and tarp last night. When I got here, it was about 7 or close to 8 o'clock, and the sun was starting to go down. And I was having trouble deciding which trees were going to be best, and I was going back and forth, and it took me quite a while. So by the time I got everything set up, it was too dark to take pictures or show any video of the whole setup. It didn't rain, and I had a little bit of an internet service. The weather report wasn't really saying there was going to be any rain, so I tied this corner here to the tree, and if I needed to, I would have just staked it down to the ground if it was raining. But otherwise, I kept it pretty tight, close to the hammock, which also I had to reset a couple of times because it was too high, the tarp. So it's a little stealth campsite I figured out. Worked out pretty well. I'm going to start cleaning up and heading on back down. Heading down should be down to my car. It's not far, but it's very steep looking, for sure. And just right away, right when I get back on the path, I'm going to be headed around, you know, just climbing down. I'm going to probably have to lower my pack a few times. Headed down the Devil's Path back to my car, and yeah, it's definitely going to be a steep trek. You could see why they call it the Devil's Path. It's very difficult at times. I mean, coming the other way up this be a bit of a climb. I'm not sure, but I think that a bear came through here. It looked like a bear print a moment ago. That looked like bear crap. Possibly. and it looks all very fresh, so I don't know. Just try to make noise as I go along. I don't know if it's coming through on the video very good, but let's see, like pretty much center almost is where the fire tower is up on Hunter Mountain, or the Hunter Mountain area. That's where I was a couple of weeks ago, which I have a video for on YouTube. So I'm across from there right now. Coming down almost to the end of the trail here. Very close now to the bottom. And once I get to the bottom, it's not far to my car. This was definitely very steep coming down. Going back up would be more rigorous than going up the way I went yesterday.